Are you struggling with pastel? Are you struggling with color pencil and how to make a painting with pastel or color pencil? Come with me. Let me show you how to make easy colored both pastel or charcoal pencil. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining and be showing you the tutorial how I create this amazing portraits using charcoal and colored pastel. So come with me. If you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist or you're still struggling with how to create a skin tone, this tutorial can help you and guide you, and you take your pastel or color painting to the next level. So let's get the work. If it's your first time coming across this YouTube channel or Facebook page, subscribe or follow me and stay tuned for more art and tutorial and tips and how to grow and take your art and painting, both charcoal pencil, realistic painting, to the next level. So after having all the sketch as you see here, after getting all this thing, all the details I need on the face using orange, yellow, red to get the skin tone as you see here in this video. So after getting all this realistic face and getting all the details on the face, I decided to use a collection film which is white, trying to get some detailing on the clothes, some shiny effect and the white effect. As you can see it, I'm dropping it to make it look more realistic for some of the sharp dots that I'm just trying to create the effect. So one thing about this art thing that I can tell you is keep creating, no matter what. Keep creating, don't give up on your art sculpture. Hope you learned today. See you in my next video.